Hello everybody. In this video, I will explain data frames in Python. I'll start off by importing the Pandas library SPD. Next, I'll seed the random value. Basically, the random number generation in computers is typically based on algorithm that produces procedure numbers. These numbers are not truly random but are generated deterministically using a mathematical formula. Computers generate random numbers using procedure number generators, which are algorithms that produce a sequence of numbers that appear to be random. However, procedure random number generators are deterministic, meaning that given the same initial condition, they'll produce the same sequence of numbers. When you set the seed value using the np.random.seed function, the random number generator algorithm, specifically the Mersenne twister algorithm used by NumPy, follows a specific procedure to generate random values based on the seed. The Mersenne twister algorithm is widely used procedure number generator that produces high quality random numbers. It is designed to have a very long period, meaning that it can generate a vast number of unique random values before repeating the same sequence. This allows for reproducibility and prevents unpredictability. Now I will see the random function which I will use right now. Now I will import the NumPy library. Now note that if you use the same seed value as me, you will see the same result as I just explained a few seconds ago. Now np.random.random function will just basically generate a 2 by 3 array of random numbers. Now I will use Pandas library to turn this array into a data frame. So here we have a column which is A, B, and C. Then we have an index 0 and 1. Basically, the index in a data frame is a unique identifier assigned to each row, allowing for efficient and labeled data access and alignment. Later in this video, I will show you how to define index values too. Other than this, there are several ways to create a data frame. One way is from a list of a dictionary. So here we have name as a key, then we have its value, which is John, age, then we have city as keys with their values. This creates a data frame with age and city, and each dictionary in the list corresponds to a row in the data frame. Now let's see how to create a data frame using NumPy. In this case, we specify the column name explicitly when calling the function pd.dataframe. Now I will show you how to access a column. To access it, you can simply call the data frame first, then square brackets. Inside the square brackets, type the name of the frame of the column you want to access. You may realize that this looks like a series, and this is what a data frame actually is. A data frame is just a bunch of series with index values. As you can see, it's a series. Now, if we will check the type of the data frame itself as a whole, Python will say that it's a data frame. We can print multiple columns too. Let me show you how. The reason why I have used two square brackets is because I'm saying in the first bracket, I will access the column, and then in the second bracket, I'm defining a list of columns that I want to access. Now, if we want to insert more columns, we can call the data frame itself, then use square brackets to define the name of the column, and then assign it to a new. As you can see, we have a new row with a new value. Now, to delete a data frame, we can use the drop function. So you have to use the column parameter first to in order to delete a column. Sorry for that. Now, if we will take a look at the data frame again, we can see that the data frame is still there. So we can assign this data frame to our new data frame, then call it again. So now you can see that our new column is not there. Now that is for this video. If you have any question, you can always go to the comment section and ask them there.